Go on there, buddy. Come on now. Get off there. You don't listen for nothing, do you? Get off. Alright friends, while I'm waiting on the mud to dry up here, it's mud everywhere. We've gotten so much rain in the past 2-3 weeks, it's pathetic. We have just mud puddles everywhere. Every time I get in the tractor, I make it worse. And somebody commented maybe the last video about maybe putting a road up here at the sawmill. Well, that's been the plan now for 2 years. I keep on putting it off, but after this mess right here, I think I'm going to try to get that done. Especially since we got a dump trailer now, we can haul our own rock in here and not have to pay that haul bill. I don't know about you guys, but when we have gravel hauled in here, it's $100 just to have it hauled in here, not counting the cost of the gravel. That gets really expensive after a while. Let's talk about cameras real fast here, friends. If you had a scale from 1 to 10, and 10 was a camera expert, I would probably be about a number 3, maybe even a 2. Autofocus is my best friend, put it that way. I don't know a whole lot about cameras, and if it wasn't for autofocus, I'd be hurting, put it that way. But I get questions all the time. What kind of cameras am I using here? The drone, all that stuff. And I added all that stuff to my Amazon affiliate store. There's always a link down below in the video description if you guys want to check that out. But I'm not trying to sell you guys those cameras or nothing like that, but I do get that question a lot with other people getting into YouTube, what cameras I'm using. And I use probably the most affordable cameras out there. And something else I even get emails about sometimes are songs in these videos. And guys, I just don't have time. I'm sorry to sit here and answer emails about a song in a video 3 years ago. I don't remember, and I don't have time to sit and go back and try to find it. You'll be a lot better off with getting this app. I think it's called Shazam or something. There's a bunch of different apps for smartphones. You put them on your phone. If you hear a song you like, you push a button and it tells you within a few seconds who the artist is and the song, and you can find it that way. But I use a music service, and I pay for that music service every month. And sometimes they don't even list the artist on there. They just have a list of songs you go pick, or they have a list of moods, and you pick from that little genre there, the one you like, and you carry it over to your video. So if you like it and you really want to know, get that free little download app and you'll find out sooner than I can answer an email, put it that way. So on the sawmill today, we have a white pine. This is a 10-footer. I'm doing 2x10s. I need 4 2x10s to finish the top run on the timber frame so me and Dad can put the rest of the trusses on next week if the mud dries. We've had so much rain here, it's pitiful, guys. It's just, ugh. Every time I look around, I just see nothing but mud and water, and it's snowing right now. Just non-stop. And we've got it pretty easy though. A lot of people in this country had a pretty tough week last week and this week as well, so I'm grateful for that. And also guys, I forgot to mention, Farm Focus now has the beard logo on a hoodie. It's got the beard logo on the back, so you got my ugly mug on the back of your hoodie with the OTW sign right here over your heart. And I meant to got Wood-Mizer on today. I was going to wear it up here and show you guys, but I forgot all about it. But I'll throw a picture up here to show you what it looks like. There's a link down below to that and all the OTW stickers and t-shirts, all that stuff. So if you're looking to get some merchandise, go check it out, and I appreciate your support. I just missed a phone call from my buddy Tim over in Iowa. He runs a LT50. Well, he's going to be running an LT50 when it gets there. He bought it a few months ago. Wood-Mizer's like 6 or 9 months behind on sawmills right now. Crazy. He just called me a few minutes ago, so we're going to call him back. So when he's watching this video tonight in Iowa, he might get a kick out of this, or it might make him mad. I don't know. Read number 2. What in the world are you doing?
Hello? What are you doing?
Well, I'm calling you back. What are you doing?
Are you mad at me?
No, Tim, I'm not mad at you, bud.
I haven't heard from you all week.
Yeah,
It's already Friday.
I know, Tim. We've not talked in about a week, and I decided if you didn't call me today, I was going to see if you'd be interested in maybe doing some couples therapy or something. All right, guys, right there is the results of that timber. We got 5 2x9s actually. I said 2x10s, I believe, in the video, but this is actually 2x9, and that is actual sizes right there. 2 inches on the thickness and 9 inches on the width. None of that nominal stuff going on here, guys. We got 5 of them, and that's 75 board feet out of a log that we saved from the landfill. That came from a tree service, guys. And that produced some really nice timber here. Check it out. Not too bad. Probably won't throw water on it, unfortunately, but some good looking stuff, guys. And I'm telling you, that sawmill is humming today. I got a brand new 4-degree blade on there, 045 thickness. My goodness. If I wasn't videoing this stuff, it would saw twice as fast. I kind of slow down sometimes to make sure all the cameras are getting all the footage going on. But stick here with me. I'll probably saw this up later. My wife's working today, so I'll have Bruno here this afternoon. I can't be up here sawmilling with him in the house by himself. That's nobody's business but mine. 1x6s are going. Farm Focus now has the buddy. What in the world's a buddy? They got a buddy. My goodness. No wonder y'all think we're a bunch of hicks down here in Tennessee. Can't even talk. Farm Focus now has the Beard logo t-shirt on a hoodie. And I meant to mints. Am I talking about mints or mint? Who knows? Logo on the back of a hoodie with the OTW sign right here. I meant to. Can't even talk. Good Lord. And before I forget, I'm always forgetting stuff on here. I need like a list to read off of or something. Now I can't even remember what I meant to tell you. This is embarrassing. I'm getting old. Put the Beard logo on a hoodie, and I meant to wear it up here today, but I'm wearing my Wood-Mizer hoodie. It's a little bit more insulation in it here. Insulation. What's it got? Fiberglass in the sleeves? Goodness. My goodness.